Okay, so this is a video about the company rocketlab and what they're doing, working off the footsteps and the works of giants that came before them, like SpaceX, for instance, working off some of the great things and finally realizing and coming into true alignment with what they're meant to do. Okay? So this is a video of them and their progression and what they've realized what they can do. They're first known for making their 3D printed rocket nozzles. So they had 3D printed rocket nozzles, so the liquid coolant could flow through those, keep them from disintegrating while they go. Those super genius, great move, amazing. Okay, and that was an amazing. That was what got them on the radar, was that, and then they made 3D printed tanks as well, which was something, but was not the best thing. They've realized what the best method is, which I commend them for going for with doing the opposite of what the other person in the market is doing, which is SpaceX, and doing it the other way, which makes sense because there's no other way to approach the situation other than that way. So coming in and figuring out how to make an automated system for carbon fiber, actually making your own fiber instead of having to buy sheets of fiber. If that's what I think, what they seems like what they have, what I've been told and explained to by people who have studied this topic, they say that they have this ability to do so. So they have the ability to make their own carbon fiber, their own actual product itself, which is pretty amazing. 3D print their own fiber weave, and then be able to, do epoxy and do layers. And if they can make this entire process automated, which is truly the only way to do it, get rid of as many people as possible, because that's the ultimate goal, and driving down cost and raising efficiency. And if they've achieved that, then they've really stepped up, because before their biggest flaw was their 3D printed, rocket containers, where they kept their combustible liquids and stuff. It was like, you really don't need to have that. It's really kind of low quality. You print, this thing gets sloppy, it moves. You learn a lot of stuff in the process, but I'm glad that all of you all have learned to move on and go to carbon fiber. It's where it's at. And then making your own carbon fiber and cutting out the expense of the actual carbon, that's revolutionary. It's amazing. If you're actually doing that. If you're just making carbon fiber, okay, well, there you go. The human will always have errors in carbon fiber, but getting it done by a robot and get it done by artificial intelligence platforms is a much more efficient system and a much more efficient way of doing it than doing it any other way. So so that was very smart, honestly. But I think that the company has came a long way after realizing, your containers, you can do those with carbon fiber instead of needing to have 3D printed shit, which was really dumb. It was really fucking dumb, honestly. The 3D printed rocket engine nozzle was smart. That was a really good idea. And there's some parts that make sense 3D printing, but as far as a basic item like that, no, you don't need to be 3D printing it. It makes sense in the beginning, but now that you've stepped up and you've made your name and you've established yourselves. I can't even think of your name right now, but yeah, the name of your company. I'll figure it out and write it down and put it in the headline here. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna leave it at that because I think that's pretty much it. That's about what I can think of. If y'all can think of anything else, anything that you would like to add in the comment section, I would enjoy to hear what you have to say in the comment section. So put a little comment down there, okay? I want to see what you had to say. Okay? So yeah, let's do it. Put a comment down here, and boom. Put a comment right down there. Say something, anything. Give a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you want to do. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye.